I just bought the M5 MacBook Air, and this might be the only laptop most people need. But at this price, is it actually worth it? Apple packaging, still the best. This thing feels insanely thin and super light. This is why people love the Air. Inside the box you get a USB-C cable, some paperwork, the charger, and that's it. No extras, just the essentials. This design hasn't changed much, but honestly it doesn't need to. This is powered by Apple's new M5 chip, and this is where things get interesting. This is going to be fast. This is not a MacBook Pro, but for most people, this might be all you need. So this feels smooth, feels pretty fast. This is exactly what you expect from Apple. I'm going to test this properly. Editing, performance, real world use. If you're thinking about buying it, subscribe. I'll tell you if it's actually worth it.